Hey Potters, welcome to Glaizit. I'm Avni, the creator of this app that's made just for you. Whether you're a beginner exploring the magic of pottery or a pro looking to organize your glaze experiments, Glaizit is here to make your pottery journey much smoother and much more fun. In this video, I'll take you on a quick tour of the app so you can hit the ground running and start exploring all the amazing features it has to offer. Ready? Let's dive in.
Once you open the app, you will have a login screen. And once you log in, you would see the home section. This is your hub for inspiration. Here, you'll find a beautiful gallery of glaze combinations. In the next tab, there is list of glazes from commercial brands. And then we have recipes. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for. Just type in the name or a keyword from the description. Want to narrow it down further? No problem. Use the filters to search by properties like brand, finish, color. This is where the inspirations give you ideas and ideas come to life. Whether you are planning your next masterpiece or just browsing for creative sparks, this gallery is a treasure trove of information. Next, we have got the video section, your very own pottery channel. You can binge watch endless pottery related videos here. Tutorials, behind the scene creations, pro tips, and even video blogs. It's all just a tap away. If you're not a video person, no worries. The blog section is full of written guides, tips, and tricks about everything pottery. Whether it's mastering the perfect glaze combination or learning how to avoid cracks in your clay, this section has got you covered. And then there is forum section. This is where you can connect with other potters, ask questions and get advice. It is like having direct access to experts across the world. So go ahead, ask away and share your wisdom. Now let's talk about your profile. Here you can see everything about you. Check out the glazes and the materials that you have added on your shelf. Browse all your saved entries and even build your pottery network by following others and adding them as friends. Glaizit isn't just an app, it's a community. So don't be shy, start connecting. This add button here is where you can add your own entries, whether it's a glaze recipe, combination, or a question or a blog.
And that's your quick tour of Glaizit. I hope it gave you a good sense of what's waiting for you in the app. Remember, we've got detailed videos for each feature, so be sure to check those out if you want to dig deeper. Thanks for being a part of the Glaizit community. I can't wait to see you create. Looking forward to see you in the app. More later. Bye bye.